This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark theme on Bluesky. I will be using the browser version on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Bluesky. To enable or disable dark theme, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the pane on the left hand side, over to where it says Settings. Click on Settings. Then on the center pane, you want to go over to where it says Appearance and click on Appearance. And then right up here, you have color mode. By default, yours is probably set to the system as mine is, but you could choose light or dark. My system's set to light theme. If I click on dark though, now it goes to a dark theme. And then down here, dark theme, do I want it dim or dark? By default, it's set to dim, kind of a bluish look to the screen. If I click on dark, it goes to a black look. That is how to enable or disable dark theme on Bluesky. Thanks for watching.